What's up, everyone? Check out these really cool Blackout roller shades that I just installed in my little boy's room. These things were super easy to install. All it came with was two brackets that you're going to put on the inside of your window frame or the outside, and then just the shade. So to get the correct size of the shade, you're going to want to measure edge to edge here, and that's going to give you a really accurate measurement, and that's what you're going to want to go with. So whatever goes from here to here. I actually went with 1 inch less. I didn't want any overhang, and I do have a little bit of space there, so I could have actually gone up an inch, and I think that would have worked out great. But I do have these slide-on curtains here as well that do a great job at blocking the edges of that sunlight. To open it up, all you're going to do is simply pull down just a little bit, and they slide right back up. All the way up just like that. And then you can pull it back down. Comes with a really nice handle here as well. You install after you put in your blinds. And the material on this is really nice. It's a 100% polyester material. It's going to block out all the sunlight, absorb all those UV rays. I just wanted to give my son a great night's sleep. I didn't want any sunlight coming in, especially in those early summer mornings where sun rises probably like 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, and it could wake him up. So we wanted something like this just to keep it a little bit darker in his room, give him a great night's sleep. Overall, if you're looking for a great roller shade that blocks out the light, I highly recommend this one. Like I said, super easy to install, does a great job at blocking out all the light, and just looks really sleek. This is just a great overall design. I love it. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.